taking a look at the Spider S&P Retail ETF, ticker XRT, pulling back after a strong start to the week. As you can see there, it's down about 0.5% right now. Sector under pressure because of Target, which posted slower than expected holiday sales growth. The stock is this morning's worst performer in the S&P 500, down about 6.5%. Courtney Reagan is at HQ with a closer look at that company and those numbers. Court.
Hi, Morgan. So this is disappointing, particularly with regard to Target's recent momentum that we've seen. The retailer's holiday sales falling far short of expectations. Now, Target's comparable sales did grow, but just 1.4% over last holiday period. For the quarter, all in, so we're still in that. The street was expecting closer to 4% growth, but Target's now saying the full quarter will be closer to this 1.4% holiday result. Comparable digital sales, that's part of the total, that grew just 19%. That was also well short of recent growth rates for that metric. So what happened? Well, the retailer isn't entirely able to pinpoint it exactly. Some categories were strong. Apparel was up 5%, essentials and beauty up 6%. But key holiday categories were weak. Toys were flat. Electronic sales, those fell 6%. Home was split. The retailer telling me things like home trimmings, lights, those things were good. But small appliances like Instant Pots, those weren't. Together, home, toys, electronics make up 1/3 of the holiday season sales. So the stronger categories, though, like apparel and particularly the private label brands, those are higher margin goods, which is in part why the retailer is able to reaffirm its earnings forecast. Now, those 3 same-day order fulfillment options, those grew more than 50% over last holiday season. And digital fulfillment done by the stores, much less expensive, between 40 and 90% less than if an order is fulfilled from a fulfillment center. So that also helped protect earnings and that forecast. Additionally, Target announced the retirement of its chief stores officer. Mark Schindel is promoted to that position, and then Christina Hennington and Jill Sando, they had taken over for Mark Tritton, running merchandise on an interim basis. They're now going to be doing that full time.